This 150-liter wagon cart can hold up to 350 pounds. In this video, I'm gonna show you all about this wagon cart and why this is so cool. Bunch of different colors to choose from. I went with red. Check this out, guys. We even have a handle here. This thing weighs under 20 pounds. Can you believe it? So as we open this up, all you have to do is pull that down, put that off to the side for just a second, and this thing now fully expands, super easy and fast. Just push down in the middle and you're done. It's literally that fast. You drop it on the ground, open it up, and you're done. Then you take this panel that's in the bag and you put it as the liner. And this holds up to 350 pounds. That is while it's sitting still. Whenever you're rolling this, 250 pounds. But this padded stability on the bottom is gonna be perfect for literally anything. This thing is gonna be amazing for camping, grilling, parties, vacation, gardening. You could fill this up with literally anything that you need to transport. This thing is super versatile. Let's take a closer look. So we have a 600D lining material on here that is super durable, and it's really gonna prevent against tears or rips or anything like that. High quality metal, and you even get a rubberized texture on the wheels that is gonna help give optimal grip. These things roll really smooth and they're big, so you can get over rocks and stuff. If you're taking this out in the woods and you're going camping, like honestly for me, I think this will be perfect if you're out in the woods and you're trying to gather firewood. You could throw all that in there and this thing's gonna wheel over roots, dirt, grass, anything. I love the handle. It's got a nice button right here where you can pull this up. I'm 5'11", and this is like literally perfect. You can even pull groceries, hit that button, and this goes all the way down. One of my favorite features about this rolling cart is that it actually has locking wheels. How about that, guys? All you have to do is click that down and it locks in place. Pop it up and this thing's ready to roll. So you got locks on the front two wheels and this thing isn't gonna go anywhere. I absolutely love that feature. This is designed to actually roll 360 degrees as well to make this super optimal for you. Another one of my favorite features is you also have cup holders right here. And these are pretty big. They have a mesh lining with the 600D material on the bottom to keep those really firm, but they have an elastic on the top to hug a bottle. I don't know how big you can fit in here. You know what? Let's try a Stanley cup, and I'm also gonna do a water bottle. All right, I ended up managing to find my wife's Stanley cup, so we are gonna test that. And that definitely holds a Stanley cup, no problem. That definitely passes the Stanley Cup test challenge. We also just have a regular water bottle. Definitely will fit in there. But that's gonna fit in there nice and snug. It's not gonna go anywhere. Pull this handle up and you are ready to go. All right, so whenever you are done with this and ready to fold it back up, all you gotta do is fold this. There's a little string in here that you can hold on to. You pull that up and that will push everything back into position. And guess what, guys? We are all ready to go. Throw this little baseboard in there and we're ready to wrap this up. Just gotta make sure it's centered up. And there you go. That is super easy. Ready to hit the road. Go and check it out for yourself. Come in a bunch of different colors. Trust me, you are gonna love it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.